Hi everyone, welcome to Malethabo Accounting Academy. On this specific tutorial, we're going to look into the different types of journals. We're going to look into 8 different journals. So let's get on to it. So the first journal that we're going to look into is what we refer to as a cash receipt journal. A cash receipt journal, in that journal we record all the transactions that cause the business's bank balance to increase. The second journal that we're going to look into what we refer to as a cash payment journal. A cash payment journal, we record all the transactions that take place in a business and cause the business's bank balance to decrease. And then we're going to look into what we refer to as a creditor's journal. A creditor's journal, we record all the transactions where we made credit purchases. So we purchase from our suppliers on credit. Therefore, we're going to record those transactions on a journal known as a creditor's journal. And then we're going to look into what we refer to as a debtor's journal. A debtor's journal, that is where we record all the transactions where we have sold on credit to our suppliers. All those transactions where we sold on credit to our, all those transactions where we sold on credit to our customers, to our customers, we're going to record those transactions on what we refer to as a debtor's journal. And then we have what we refer to as a creditor's allowances journal. A creditor's allowances journal, we record all transactions where we have returned back some of the items that we bought from our suppliers. So that could be we are not satisfied with what was delivered in our business when we made our purchase. Say it could be we found that some of the items have defects. As a result, we're deciding to return them back to our suppliers. We're not satisfied. Or it could be the order is not as per the specification. We did not actually get what we ordered from our suppliers. So we're going to return that specific item back to the supplier. So on a journal called Creditors Allowances Journal, we record returns. So we record all that which we have returned back to our suppliers. And then we're going to look into a journal known as the Debtors Allowances Journal. On the Debtors Allowances Journal, that is where we record all the returns from our customers. So when our customers come back to the business and return some of the goods that they had previously bought from us because of dissatisfaction, we record those transactions on a journal called Debtors Allowances Journal. And then we have what we refer to as a petty cash journal. So what is a petty cash journal? So in the business, remember, we keep a petty cash box, meaning there's a certain amount of cash that we keep, on site in the business that we use to purchase small items. So all the transactions where we carried out or we made payments or purchases using the cash in the petty cash box, all those transactions will be recorded on a journal known as a petty cash journal. And then lastly, we have what we refer to as a general journal. So a general journal, this is a journal where we record transactions that do not belong on any of the 7 that I've listed. Any of the 7, I've listed 7 journals. So there are transactions which will not belong to either of the 7 journals. So those transactions will be recorded on a journal known as a general journal. I hope I've covered, because I was supposed to cover 8 journals. So let me just go through what I've listed. I'm not going to define again, but I'm just going to go through the list of what I should have literally covered. So on this video covers what we refer to as a cash receipt journal, cash payment journal, debtors journal, creditors journal, debtors allowances journal, creditors allowances journal, petty cash journal, and a general journal. So that brings this tutorial to an end. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. You're more than welcome to comment down below. Thank you very much once more.